looking at giving feedback to students using the feature in Google Files like Google Docs called suggesting mode. So first of all, you have a Google document that a student has shared with you, given you access. There's a number of ways to do that. In the Google Doc, when you opened it, you can see coming up here in a moment that my screen's going to look a little bit different. It's going to have this inserted comment and this kind of green text that shows up. The person, me in this case, has given feedback to the student, and this inserted comment now has my details here, as well as this check mark that says accept or X that says reject. Let's take a look at how that happened. First, I've read the document. Second, I've thought about the feedback already. I've got that information that I need to give to my student. Now the actual steps for how to do this in a Google Doc. I change the editing mode to suggesting mode in the top right corner. Now, when I select text, if I were to say, delete these words, you'll notice now when I selected the text and I hit the delete key or backspace on my keyboard, it has this strike through and it says the suggestion is delete this, and then don't use this language or whatever the case here. So I'm giving this command, right? With that, this suggestion is now sent and shared with the student to where they can see the strike through of eliminate this, and the suggestion of why is connected there. You can also do the opposite. If I know that I need to add some words here, add some words here. It's suggesting that addition should be placed here, and then you can add details. Think of our mini lesson on colorful vocabulary or explicit directions or whatever the case there is. Then you can add that reply. So that is there. So now you've got not only inserted comments that when you click on them, they animate and react, but you have the added bonus of your explanation in words. And the last piece that the student, when they take a look, if they check that box, that little check mark there, it actually changes that text. If they hit the X, it actually rejects that text. And then also lastly, you can have it to where they can write back, I need help. Please share what you mean. Something. So again, what we've done is change from editing mode to suggesting, and that's allowed it to where our edits and our additions aren't permanent and replacing all of the text, but it's giving students the ability to see our added thoughts as well as a reply back to us, and then the thought to accept or reject.